Oh, hang on. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. Good job, James. You're pushing big cousin Adrian, huh?
Okay, slowly.
Oh, he's saying go. What's wrong?
He says go.
What's wrong? Whoa.
Whoa. He says go. Don't stop.
What's wrong? Whoa, Adrian. Hang on, he's only got one hand on, Adrian.
Yes,
Adrian.
Pretty good. With one hand. Whoa.
Adrian.
Whoa. You sort of dragged him.
No, I wasn't.
Oh, you're okay, buddy.
Oh, I think you might be getting tired.
He's tired. He's tired. I know that. Look. He's tired.
What are you doing? Huh? You gonna eat your vitamin? You gonna eat your vitamin? No, I think he's getting a little bit tired.